think like most people, I was hoping that we would be able to conquer this disease quicker. And honestly, I think if we work together a little bit better as a community, as a nation, as a world, I think we would have probably better chances and better success. But this event, I think, is about honoring our physicians that treat our patients. And I would wish that, you know, people will go to the physicians, to the experts for advice on health topics. I recently saw a comic that said if you've got legal problems, you go to a lawyer, and if you've got plumbing problems, you go to a plumber. It's strange in today's world that if we've got health problems, that we go to Facebook. We have amazing physicians that's got amazing knowledge and amazing background. We should get access to them, listen to them, and follow their advice. You know, I think this is one of our biggest challenges, not of the industry, of the world, is to get access again to physicians. I know waiting lists are long. I know there's backlogs. So I'm really hoping that everybody can work together to fix this, because then we can solve the problems. Not just COVID, right? COVID is not the only problem. It's not the only health problem. We've got people that's dying from cancer, that's dying from heart failure. So our patients needs to be seen and treated. This is, I want to say, the number one priority in healthcare globally for me. COVID is probably close to that. And I think, you know, like you said, last year was worse than this year. So we have to also remember what we have achieved, right? We have lots of people vaccinated, not enough, but a lot, much more than we had in the past. We're having a little bit more freedom of movement. I actually traveled to Slovenia with my family last weekend. First time in 1 year that my family could cross the border. So I'm trying to see the silver lining. We have to also remember why we locked down. We locked down because we wanted to flatten the curve. We wanted to not overload the ICUs. We wanted to reduce the number of deaths from COVID. And a lot of this has been achieved. So I know we all wish that it would just go away, but we've done a lot. So I'm confident, I'm quietly praying actually, that wave Delta, which is coming, right, will be the last wave. And after that, maybe just a few bumps, you know, that the rest will be smooth, but I think we all have to work together.